Hello and welcome to the drawing. We're going to draw a scallop shell with some seaweed. Get out your paper and your pencils or your pens and let's begin the drawing. Start by making a line that looks like a curved letter V, like this. Go down and then back up. Next, make a wavy line going across and over and down, just like this. Now let's go to the bottom of the shell and make what looks like triangles, but they're curved on the top and flat on the bottom. Now let's go to the wavy line and make a letter V that curves down and goes to a point and then curves back up like this. Now make another one a little bit wider, go down and then back up. And one more. Go down, go to the middle of the bottom, and go back up. Just like this. You're doing great. Now, let's make some seaweed. And seaweed is fun to draw because it's wiggly and fun. So, start by making some lines that go up and wiggle and touch the shell. And then imagine that they're under the shell and come out from the top just like this. Now we have to make some lines that crisscross those lines, just like this. Nice job. The last two pieces of seaweed, we'll make two wiggly lines going up on each side, like this. And the last line is a line that crisscrosses those, just like this. Fantastic. You did a great job. Now get out your paper, your crayons, your watercolor paints, and color in your ocean creation. I hope you enjoyed drawing this, and I look forward to drawing with you again. Have a great day.